Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know what WMI provider host is and why is it using so much CPU resources. So it is a legitimate process by default and the full form is Windows Modular Installer. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Module Installer. Okay, you'll find it here. Okay, right click on it and select start or restart to fix the problem. Now, here's one more thing. While it is a genuine process, there are many fake processes, especially created by cyber criminals, which mimic genuine processes so that they may not be identified by regular users. So, that may be the case. To be on the safer side, just type MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT, the run command. Click on next, select full scan, next, and let it scan through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.